Offering an outdoor pool and a restaurant with sea view, luxury Bahia Pricipe Acumal is located in the Riviera Maya town of Acumal. Wi-Fi access is available in this resort. The property will provide you with air conditioning, a coffee machine and a balcony. Featuring a spa bath, private bathroom also comes with a shower. At luxury Bahia Pricipe Acumal you will find a tennis court, a fitness center and free bikes. Other facilities offered at the property include a nightclub and on-site shops. An array of activities can be enjoyed on-site or in the surroundings, including windsurfing. The property also offers free parking. If you feel like visiting the surroundings, check out Ex Castle Ex Cachelito, 3.6 miles, and Cantona Bay, 10 miles. This resort is 60 miles from Cancun International Airport. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.